Ndewonu Igbo ndị ọma ndị nke m, kedu ka unu mere? Hello my amazing Igbo language learners, how are you all doing? Our Igbo word for today, okwu Igbo nke taa bụ gịnị? Bekee. Bekee n'asụsụ English bụ English. I don't want to confuse you here. So, Bekee in English is what we know as English. So, this is it. In Igbo language, na asụsụ Igbo, we refer to the English language as asụsụ Bekee. So, English language in Igbo language is known as asụsụ Bekee. If you hear anybody say Bekee, they are talking about English. Without mentioning English, they are talking about English. So, asụsụ Bekee is English language. Asụsụ is language and Bekee is English. Bekee. Let's say it again. Bekee. Asụsụ Bekee. Asụsụ Bekee. Example, asụsụ Bekee bịara abịa. Asụsụ Bekee bịara abịa, which means the English language is a foreign language or came to us. It is not our native dialect. It is not our original language. That is why you can say asụsụ Bekee bịara abịa, which means the English language came to us. It's not our origin. It's not our native language. I know you've learned something new today. Don't forget, English is Bekee in Igbo language. See you tomorrow. Wano ka emesịa.